Hey everyone! If you've ever tried to save files to your USB flash drive only to be met with a frustrating write protection error, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a USB flash drive that's stuck on write protection. Let's get started. Method number 1. Insert your USB flash drive in your computer. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type disk part and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter to see a list of all connected drives. Identify your USB drive by its size. Type select disk X, replace X with your USB disk number, and press Enter. Type attributes disk clear read-only and press Enter. Type exit to close disk part and exit again to close command prompt. Now your USB drive should be readable again. If it's still not working, there's one more method to try. Method number 2. Using a utility tool to remove USB write protection. Download the utility tool for USB write protection. Open the software, then right-click and select Run as Administrator. As you can see, the USB device's write protection status is currently enabled. To remove the write protection from the USB flash drive, you'll need to disable it. Click on Disable. Now, remove the USB flash drive from the computer, then reinsert it to apply the changes. Your USB drive should now be writable again. Method number 3. Final resort. If none of these methods worked for you, then there might be a deeper issue with your USB flash drive. It's possible that the write protection is caused by a hardware problem, such as a malfunctioning chip inside the drive. In this case, your best bet might be to replace the USB drive, as hardware issues can be difficult and expensive to fix. Sometimes the best solution is simply getting a new USB drive to avoid further headaches. And there you have it. These methods should help you remove write protection from your USB flash drive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.